Welcome to this module. Here we are talking about parallel connection, and we are telling you that when solar panels are connected in parallel, the output voltage remain constant. Remember, when we were talking about series connection, the output current was what remained constant, whereas the voltage increases. But in parallel connection, the output voltage will remain constant while the output current will increase. Then solar panels are connected in parallel when the positive terminal of one solar panel is connected to the positive terminal of another solar panel. When we were talking about series connection, it was the positive terminal of one panel that was connected to the negative terminal of another panel. But in parallel connection, the positive terminal of one panel is connected to the positive terminal of another connection, as we will see in the course of this training. And we are saying that parallel connection is done to achieve a higher current. If you need a higher current to charge maybe your battery, or as the case may be, depending on the specifications of the component on site, you should know how to connect your solar panels. Then we'll take a look at example 4, assuming we are connecting solar panels of the same watts. You can see here solar panel 1 is 150 watts, solar panel 2 is 150 watts, and we connect all of them in parallel. What will happen? We are bound to have 600 watts. That is what you have. We are saying here that panels of the same watts, when connected in parallel, the resultant power is additive. That means if you are connecting solar panels of the same watts in parallel, you are bound to have addition of all the wattage of the solar panel. We look at example 5 here. What really happens here is we are equally having 4 solar panels here. You can see we are connecting the positive to the positive to the positive to the positive. That is parallel connection. We are using this diagram to illustrate parallel connection, and we are connecting negative here, negative here, negative here, and negative here, and that is parallel connection. We are connecting the negative of one solar panel to the negative of another solar panel to the negative of another solar panel, and we are using a uniform output cable. And if you equally come here, you can see we are connecting the positive here, the positive here, the positive here. We link all the positive together, and we link all the negatives together here. That is parallel connection. What happens when you connect those panels like that? If you look at this, our output here, you have a total voltage of 19. Each of these panel was 19 volts. If you connect all of them in parallel, there will still certainly remain 19 volts, and the current will be additive. That means 8 amp times 4. You can see it here. 8 amp times 4. That will give you 32 amp if you do the calculation. That means we have successfully increased the current, whereas the voltage remain 19 volts. Then we are saying that the above connection represents 4 solar panels, each rated 19 volts, 8 amp, and 152 watts, all connected in parallel, and the resultant voltage, current, and power of the parallel connection. So by now, you should understand and you should be able to explain to somebody the difference between series connection, the difference between parallel connection, the difference between connecting a solar panel of the same watts in series and connecting panels of different watts in parallel. This is Subwave Energy Academy, one of the leading training platform that you can trust. We are going to move to another module in which we are going to talk about series parallel connection. If you have any question, if you don't understand the concept, do well to DM using the WhatsApp number and you will be guided accordingly. We throw more light on this. If you are interested joining our master class, you will be informed accordingly. And a trial will always convince you. That is how to connect your solar panels in parallel and how to go about connecting your solar panel